All right, so I have these questions here to get the square root of these numbers. The first one is one whole number 63 over 81. Second one is two whole number 14 over 121. So the first thing you're going to do here is convert each of these to improper fractions. To convert this to improper fraction, you're going to multiply by 81 and add 63. So 81 plus 63, that is 144 over 81. And then you find the square root of that. That's going to give you 12 over 9, because the square root of 144 is 12. The square root of 81 is 9. You simplify that, that is 4 over 3. And then the second one, you do exactly the same. You go ahead and multiply 2 by 121 and add 14. You have 256 over 121. So the square root of that is going to be 16 over 11, because the square root of 256 is 16 and 121 is 11. So that's simply how you get the answer for this type of questions.